indicated along the line
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme northern Horry County, southwestern Columbus County, until 7 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cherry Grove, or 16 miles southwest of Whiteville, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Clarendon, Tabor City, Sydney, Molly. More dangerous thunderstorms may develop and affect other communities in the warned area. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Saturday morning for southeast North Carolina and northeast South Carolina. Please report hail, downed trees, or damaging winds to the National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. Toll free at